Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So my main purpose of making this video is just to share an experience, which I will start by saying you should focus on one currency pair, especially when you are a beginner or you are just trying to find your stand in the market. Why is this very important? It's important because when you are facing different currency pair, you are trading gold, you are trading BTC, you are trading EURUSD, you are trading USDJPY, you are going to be confused because you are starting something that you are new at. You are starting something that you have never done before. But when you decide to face one particular currency pair and know the in and out of the currency pair, I know you can't study the currency pair perfectly, but you are going to be able to tell some kind of moves when the pair reacts to price. So let's take a currency pair for example. Let's say you are trading GBPUSD and you want to study how GBPUSD buys. You are backtesting from January 2025 to date. What you should know is that you check how it buys, you check the way it acts when it buys, you mark out the zones and how the zones look like when it buys, you check the confirmation of how which candle it prints when it buys. You should learn to check how a currency buys before you check how the currency sells. Study one aspect first of that currency, then you study how it sells. You can ask some pros their best currency pair. Some of them might not even call gold at first, even though they know that gold is a money doubler. But when they said they started trading, they might have told you that, okay, when I started trading with GBPUSD, or I started trading with USDJPY. Because these are pairs that are less volatile and they are friendly. When you go into the market with $20, $50, $100, you want to go and start trading gold, you end up blowing up your account and you get upset. You might even get frustrated about trading. So instead of you allowing that to happen to you before you learn your lesson, I believe it's fair for us to begin with less volatile pairs so we can save ourselves money and stress. So risk management is not all about trading 1% of your account. It's also about sticking to one particular pair when you are just starting, because it will save you money and it will even increase your win rate, especially when you know what you're already doing. Sometimes you might be trading BTC or trading gold and trading EURUSD, and you tend to see that, okay, EURUSD, when you lose, you lose less. Maybe your stop loss might be $2, $3, and maybe your stop loss pip might just be like 30 pips. And when you win like $5, $10, $50, depending on your lot size and depending on the pip you set at your TP. But when you are trading pairs like gold or BTC, you are using 30 pips on gold. You know that it cannot be $2 like how EURUSD gave you $2. It's going to be more. Same as BTC, it's going to be more. Same as NAS 100, it's going to be more. Same as US 30, it's going to be more because they are very volatile. So imagine you now making $5 on maybe you making $5 on which currency that means. So let me just use EURUSD. You're making $5 on that, and you are losing $2, and in the space of time you are profitable. But you are trading gold with it. When you now that same 30 pips that are using as SL, when you now trade it on gold, you're now seeing $6 as your SL or $10 as your SL. You are making money from EURUSD to pay for gold loss. So we should try to be smart on this and know that when you stick to one pair and you know what you are doing on that pair, you are fine. A pair can fetch you millions, can make you live all right. Gold is like a money doubler, yes, we all know that. But starting from a less volatile currency pair when you are just trying to skill trading is the best. I might not be there yet, but from my experience in the market, I can tell you for free and tell you with my own level of understanding that sticking to one pair when you are just starting is very, very important and very, very good. It's an high level of discipline to even stick to one pair, because you might not see a setup for weeks, you might not see setup for days, but trust me, in a month you will see a setup depending on your strategy. So I know this video, I'm sure it will reach some audience who find interest in this or might have been having this kind of issue. So we are all one. We are trying to scale through, we are trying to become profitable. So in the quest of that, we have to share knowledge and know what others are going through, because they might be facing the same problem that you are also facing. So feel free to add in the comment section your challenges and share with others your experiences so you can grow together. Thank you so much and God bless.